The three dreaded words are finally spoken. In a few seconds, everything you envision for yourself disappears, and nothing else matters except your survival, which you believe is not in your control anymore. Your doctor, medical team, nurse, therapists such as us, whatever you might want to call it, now has all the power to heal you, or so you think. Let me tell you this, that this is the biggest misconception you can believe when you're diagnosed with cancer. Yes, we are there to help you. However, we only act as a medium to your healing. You are the healer. But working with hundreds of patients now, I have seen personally that no one believes this to be true, when in fact it's the most essential truth for yourself at this moment in time. Therefore, while Cairo, my company, stands as a healthcare entity working closely with doctors and supporting the treatment administered, it's essential for us to give you back the power to heal yourself. We provide holistic therapies that manage your lifestyle by focusing on decreasing treatment side effects, improving your quality of life, rebuilding your immune system, and working towards decreasing your risks of relapse. These therapies include food, body, and mind. Cairo provides you with guidance and assistance to help you improve your health from a nutritional, physical, and emotional condition. Termed as integrative oncology, we are the first and only company that offers such a program in such a comprehensive manner, working with oncologists and hospitals around the country. We have now treated over 500 patients and have recorded substantial improvements in their quality of life in just 12 weeks. So this is what we do. We provide you with specialized and personalized care by therapists who are trained in cancer care. These professionals are reputed in the fields of food, body, and mind. We then design a program based on your condition, taking into account your nutritional, physical, mental, and emotional status along with your medical condition. Analyze, evaluate, and create what's best only for you. Nutrition therapy. Nutrition is really important for you. Food is medicine, but the wrong food can be detrimental. At this point, your food plays a crucial role in your quality of life and ability to cope with treatment and the cancer itself. Therefore, we focus all our energy in giving you personalized attention to your food regimen. You have unlimited access to a personal nutritionist who will create customized diet plans, recipe books, guide you on all your nutritional concerns, and manage your nutritional deficiencies based on your medical condition. Our focus is to manage your immune system during treatment, to help you cope with treatment better, to improve appetite, deal with nutritional deficiencies that you might be facing during and post-treatment, and rebuild your immune system post-treatment. This will empower you with a wealth of knowledge about cancer nutrition, what you need to know, and how you can manage nutritional issues that you might be facing daily. Movement and meditation therapy. Now, when it comes to cancer, fatigue, weakness, pain, weight loss are major physical constraints, along with others. So what do? Cairo assesses your physical condition and gives you the right exercises to combat your physical issues. Our focus is pain management, decreasing fatigue and weakness, lungs detoxification, improving muscle mass and strength, managing lymphedema, managing neuropathy, improving mobility, improving your balance to reduce fall injuries, prevent weight gain, obesity, or excessive weight loss. We do this through movement and meditation therapy that has been designed specifically for you and can be followed easily throughout the day. Mental well-being therapy. Cancer takes a major toll on a patient's mental condition. So why are we not addressing this comprehensively? Well, now we are. We work with you personally to help you face your mental and emotional issues. And if you're not facing anything, then we'll just talk, because that can be healing too. Caregivers need care as well, and we help them through the journey. Our focus is anxiety and depression, managing stress, managing fear of relapse, acceptance of the diagnosis, motivating you to move on, concentration and attention. We will share tools and techniques that you can incorporate into your life for a better mental state of being and managing your current condition. We believe in therapy and guidance that is customized and personalized to you. This is not a cookie cutter approach, and it should not be. This is your life, and with incremental changes we help you implement daily, it would lead to permanent lifestyle changes. This is how you become a healer in your cancer journey.